Hello guys, welcome back with me, Chow Chow, 2025. Are you bored using text generation Webui feel talking to a robot? This is an example of you talking to a character. About how to download oobabooga text generation Webui. You could see it on my previous video. Link in the description. We could also create a character too, Today we are going to learn about creating character in oobabooga text generation Webui. To create a character, first you need to go to Parameters tab. From there, you select Character. You will be in Character Selection menu. Select the character that you want to use as your base, so you simply edit that character to create a new one. If this is your first time, you will only see Assistant and Shiharu Yamada here. I suggest you select Shiharu Yamada, simply just to understand how character is created. Let me explain this screen first. Your name, it simply show what you name should be shown in the prompt. Character's name, it is the bot name as it appears in the prompt. Context, it is a string that is always at the top of the prompt. It never gets truncated. It usually defines the bot's personality and some key elements of the conversation. You should put a description here, and then you should add a little conversation example. Greeting, it is an opening message for the bot. When set, it appears whenever you start a new chat. Character picture, it's a profile picture for the bot. To make it apply, you need to save the bot by clicking on Save icon. Your picture, it's your profile picture. It will be used in all conversations. Now you understand what is what. Let's try creating character by editing Shiharu Yamada character. First, we create the name here. The name in this example is Karen. Now let's edit the context. We create her persona as Karen is your boss in a startup company. She is 40-year-old, single, pretty but very arrogant. She always nagging people, and she is angry all the time. She is good at her job of getting people to fund the startup. But people in the office hate her, and she hate people around here. Now let's make an example conversation. We make her bitter, angry, and hating everything. Read the example. You could use your own creativity. Just make sure that the persona and conversation is somehow connected to give the AI more context. Now let's make a simple greeting. Karen sitting on her desk, looking gloom and angry like usual. She always has that hating aura around her. Then after that she said, "So what do you want?" After that, we could add picture of her. Any picture will do. After all that, click the save icon and name the new character. I named the character Karen, the same with the character's name. Now let's try make some conversation. You simply need to see it, because I will not read it for you. Also, depending on the model that you use, it could generate different respond. In this example, I use Vicuna Wizard model from the blog. Oh guys, pretty great, right? You could generate many character using this. Parameters generation also affect how the character works, so you should play it with it too if you want. But for now, I guess this is already fine. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you again on the next episode. Have a nice day.